Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today's drawing will be an elephant. So this one's pretty easy. Grab yourself a pencil and a paper and let's begin. So I'm going to draw the main body of my elephant. So we're going to draw this elliptical shape. I'm going to try to draw this slightly on the right side of our page. Alright, we want to leave some room for the head over here. So the head's going to be right around here. And then we're going to have some legs coming down. So for the body, we're going to use this side right here, and that's going to come down. And then we're going to create the ear. So if this is our chest area of the elephant, we're going to create this ear that comes right here like this, and then it's going to come and poke above the body right there. Okay, and we want to come not too high from the top of the body here. Then where this ear is, we'll create another bump right about here, and this will come over to the left, and then this is going to come down and be the forehead of our elephant, and that'll come down, and we'll leave that for now because that's going to be the trunk of the elephant. So let's put the eye in place. So right where the ear is, right here, we're going to come over and just draw a little round circle like that. And then you could put another shape like that. And I'll just put a little highlight in the middle. So that'll be the eye. And then around the eye, I'm just going to draw this little curve like that. We can put a couple little creases for the forehead, the elephant's trunk as it comes down. And then we can draw the other ear, just kind of show a little bit of that other ear on the other side. And then from over here, we're going to come up, and then we're going to create this little lip that comes out, and it's going to come back up like this. And from that lip, we're going to draw the tusk. So the tusk is going to come from right about here, and it's going to go down and to the left, just like that. And then the tusk will be pointy at the end, and then this will come up and curve like this. And then right about here, we can create this little curve like that. So the tusk is coming out of that shape. Then on the other side, so we're going to have this tusk here, and on the other side, we'll just put another tusk shape, just the tip of it, because that's kind of pointing and coming off from the other side. So we only see the tip of it, a small portion of it. All right, guys? Like that. Then now what we can do is we could come like this and extend our trunk down, and this will kind of hook over to the left, and then down here we could take this, and as we get closer to the base we can kind of hook this and we'll cap it together like that. So that'll be our trunk. If you want to slim this out a little bit, you can do that. Just make your adjustments. We're using a pencil so that you can erase everything that you don't want. Alright, so now we have the head and the main body drawn in. And now we're going to go and draw the legs. So I'm going to start with the back leg. So if this is my back part, I'm going to come inside of this just a little bit, and we're going to come down slightly, and then we're gonna curve this over to the left, and then we'll come up, and the legs are pretty thick, so we're gonna come up like that, and then once we get here we can kind of curve this just a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna do the other leg that's in front, so we're gonna come right about here, and we're going to come down And about the same angle and location as that, if you drew a line across kind of the same spot, we'll draw the other leg. And let's try to get these to match the same width over on this side. So we'll come up like this, that'll curve a little bit. All right. Okay, so we have those two legs. We'll extend this just a little bit above the body line. Then what we can do is we can accent that a little bit. Then we'll draw the front leg, the other front leg. So we'll step up from here, we'll come up a little bit, and then we'll go up, and that'll be the other side, the other leg. That'll stop right there. And then we'll do the same for the back leg. We'll come from here, we'll come up a bit, like that, and then this will just come up and stop there. Then we can add some toes, some toe shapes. So we can just draw like 3 little arches like that. And we'll do a couple, same back here. And then we'll do a couple over here. And we'll do a couple over here. Like that. And the only last thing we forgot to put in is our tail. So right about here, we're going to come down. If you want yours pointing up, you can. It's up to you. I'm just going to point mine down. And we're coming. The elephant's tail is kind of short. It's not too long. And then we're just going to put this little like teardroppy shape at the end like that. I'm going to go and use my ink pen, and I'm going to outline my pencil lines. Alright, next step is to erase all of my pencil lines that I don't want to see when I color this in. Now if yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description, click the link, and you can print out the copy of this coloring page. And have a lot of fun coloring, which is the next step. Here we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video, and why not subscribe and click the notification bell. I do videos every weekday, and that way you won't miss any one of them when they launch. So until the next one, I will see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.